Class third C. Class third C. GSC date 3/12/2020, and we are studying the parts of a plant. Lesson 2, parts of a plant, and we studying the worksheet 2. Worksheet 2, and in the worksheet 2 we writing the E. Answer the following. E. Answer the following. Answer the following. And in the answer the following, we are seeing the question number 5th. Now see the 5th. What is the question? How are flowers important to our plants? So how are flowers important to our plants? So flowers are important to a plant because they help plant in process of reproduction. So your answer, flowers help plants. Answer, flowers help plants. Flowers help plants in the process of reproduction. Flowers help plants in the process of reproduction. Now, next question we can see. What does a seed need to grow into a plant? Now, 6. So, second, seeds need right amount of air. Seeds need right amount of seeds need right amount of air, water, and warmth to grow into a plant. And seventh question, draw a level diagram of leaf. So seventh, you can draw diagram of leaf from the page number 11. So you can draw the diagram. See Page number 11. Diagram parts of a leaf. Parts of a leaf diagram. It is given here. You can draw this diagram. So this lesson is over. This lesson is over. So we can start our new lesson. We can start a new lesson because we have the sufficient time. So next now we have to start lesson 4, all about birds. Lesson 4, lesson 4, all about the all about birds. Only written all about birds. All about birds. So you see page number 22. Page number 22. In this lesson we have to study only about the birds. Before starting reading, some questions are there. Pre-reading questions. First, name the birds that you see around. You see a variety of the birds. So name the birds that you see around. Next, which bird can see in the night? Which bird can see in the night? Now next, name a bird that cannot fly. Flightless bird as ostrich, emu, etc. Now next, how do the birds fly? How do the birds fly? So these are the pre-reading questions. Now what is aim to study this lesson? To tell the students about different kinds of birds and special features. What is aim? The aim to tell the students to tell the students to tell the students about different kinds of birds and special features. So the aim to tell the students about different kinds of birds and special features. So we see many birds around us. Birds are the only animals with feathers. No any other animals having the feathers. Only birds having the feathers. They have wings to fly, two legs to walk on, and a beak to eat with. They lay eggs. These are the important features of the birds. One is they have feathers, they have wings to fly, two legs to walk, and a beak to eat food. They are egg laying, they lay eggs. All birds have wings, but not all can fly. For example, ostriches, emus, rheas, kiwis, and penguins are flightless. Ostriches Ostriches can only walk or run. They use their wings only for balance. Penguins swim. Penguins swim. They use their wings like flipper. Just like in case of the fish, they have flippers and they have actually they have fin, but in case of the whale they have the flipper. Some birds spend most of their time in water. Water birds have webbed toes to help them swim in water. Common water birds are ducks, gulls, pelicans, and cranes. These are the aquatic birds. These are found in the water. Now next, that is feathers. All living things have body covering to save them from heat and the cold. The body of a bird is covered with feathers. Feathers do many jobs for birds. There are three types of the feathers. So feathers do many jobs. So there are three types of feathers. Number one is flight feathers. Flight feathers are found on the wings and tail of the bird. They are strong and stiff. They help the birds fly. Next one, down feathers are soft and short. They keep the body warm. So down feathers keep the body warm, and body feathers cover the whole body of a bird. They give the shape to the body. So these are the different the feathers. Now next time we will discuss about the beaks, and after that feet and the claws. All that's for today. Thank you.